Hey, today we'll talk about risks. Risks is one of the wonderful things in our lives which leads our life to the beautiful destination. So, today I would like to share a story with you which made me fearless. Once I was learning to drive a car and my coach was teaching me the command of steering and how to turn from the sharp left, sharp right, and how to overcome the puddles on the road. And he was very nice coach, and he taught me very nicely. And a few days passed, and then one morning we were going to learn the driving, and it was a long journey. And today I was driving the car, and the whole command was in my hand, and it was a nice experience and new experience for me. But after a few miles there was a huge puddle came on the road, and I had to take a sharp turn. So it was totally a risky puddle, but I just controlled myself and hold the steering and crossed that puddle very nicely. So it was a nice day, and I learned how to cross the puddle from the road. But on that day, I learned a new lesson of my life, that is beauty of risks. So I'll talk about beauty of risks today. So let's begin. The greatest danger in life is to lead a life without risks. A life without risks is a zero life. You will be nowhere. So you have to take risks to reach towards your goal. A life filled with risks creates new challenges and garlands us with surprises. The greatest risk is to be with a master. By his wordless presence, he destroys our ignorance. Our masters, our teachers, our coaches, they are the wonderful people in our lives. And knowingly and unknowingly, they taught us lots of lessons. And these lessons made us a wonderful and successful person. And one of the lessons is to take risk. And if you take risk, definitely you will learn something new in your life. Our ignorance has been our false hope or shelter. On losing it, we feel we are homeless. Once that risk is taken, one learns to trust the real home, which is where one's heart is. So our ignorance is a greater hurdle in our life to reach our goal. So when you remove your ignorance with knowledge, you will feel comfortable and relaxed. Then we realize that life is an unsheltered journey. Our journey has no maps. Every moment is a moment of mystery. Our journey will be beautiful if we are light. We are heavy with luggage of our securities and dogmas. So we have to remove our securities and dogmas and free ourselves towards the journey of this wonderful life. Our lives require that we be innocent and flowing. It requires us to see the beauty of life. In that state, a wordless presence opens up, and one starts celebrating life and death. Without celebration, our lives would be dull and meaningless. So celebration only comes after taking risks. So the moment you take risk in your lives, you will be a successful person. So to become a successful person, to reach towards your goal, you have to take risks in your life. Once you take risks in your life, you will reach goal, and you will be a self-made man, and that boosts up your self-confidence. You might have seen one of the ads on TV, and the ad says that डर के आगे ही जीत है. So you have to take risks and move ahead towards this wonderful journey of life. At last, I would like to share a sacred key with you, that is, celebration of every moment is the essence of life, and celebration comes from taking risks. Thank you very much, friends. I hope you have liked this motivational video of taking risks, beauty of taking risks. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest notifications on your screen. If you have any comment, you can write down on comment section and we can talk over there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.